we discovered petroglyphs or missed them the last time, I should say. And I have to walk up a little bit. They're on this large rock. This is like a prayer rock, I was told. And then up in the canyon, there's what they call the Shaman's Panel, which we're gonna go see here. Been looking forward to that one. Stay out of the sage, dude. It makes you itch. This is horrible. I took one for the team and walked through that crap. Don't do that, man. Trust me. It hurts. So this is the large prayer rock. And I don't know what the stories tell, but they start on this side. Several. I believe this is supposed to be a map. You can see the river, and then you can start to see anthropomorphs in different locations in here, different types of carvings, but these are really faded. I'm going to come in at a side angle and just get the whole panel. And like I said, there's the river, and then it intersects with the river down here that's carved in, and there's other stuff along the way. But again, this is from what happens when people touch them. You can see the snake here now. If you get in close, there's a human. But the anthropomorphs and everything are slowly disappearing. This is why they ask you not to put your hands on them. But at the angles and with the markings, and like I said, if I had water with, they would probably show up. There's another snake, or whichever. They would show up a little better with a little bit of water magnification. And they continue down here. There's an anamorph down there, right there. A couple different fellows along this line. It comes back up, so they did carve it. And then yay, more sagebrush. I'm really not impressed with this stuff today. Oh good, this is a small amount. And there's supposed to be more, I guess. Oh, there's a lot of them. Yeah. There's more of the anamorphs, the humans. Staining and scratching. This must be the prayer rock they talked about.
And there's a cross right there.
Yep, there's a cross. There's an anamorph down there.
There's some up here too.
Another cross down here, another human. Different things showing up. There's another human anamorph. There's a big one. That's a big human. Big arm span. That's weird. It's not a cross, that's a human.
No, I'm talking about crosses. Right there. Point.
Oh yeah. Is there anything over here?
Yeah, you walked right by it.
There's some. Come up on the prayer stone, I guess. There's a snake, human, in there. Several down here, a spiral, ram. You know, it's like, there's another one. I already got that one. Okay, so we got a human, anamorph ram, looks like a river, and some activity on it. And then there's the other anamorph. There's some claw stuff reaching down. I don't know if that's just carved in as an accent. And then further down you see the spiral. And then it seems to be smaller characters down here. Looks like several shaman actually carved it. There's an anamorph that's fading. He's right there. But with time and sun. Oh, there's another circle. There's a large animal down there. This whole side is just coated with them. And there you can kind of see from the side. It looks, this to me looks like a shaman or a king. He's got a crown. Everybody says that's a foot, but that's definitely a crown. There's another animorph there. I think I already got those. I'm just going to take some pictures now so we get them all. Makes you wonder if they did anything up top, but I'm sure they didn't. It's not smooth enough. And let me switch over to photo mode. Thanks for watching. So that's the site here. Let me walk past it again. You can start to see them there. You see the twisties down below. And there's an animorph down there. It's like an alien pointing to it. A river. There's animorphs, animals, carvings, a bird. And then over there you see more and more details, another human. There's a piece of royalty over there too. So it's like a human with a crown. A little hard to make out in this, but there's a full story here, and we were told that this is definitely a prayer rock for the old Anasazi. There's the one side. And there's the other. Now that we're getting a little bit of dark sun, it's actually kind of pleasant to be able to do this. You can see the petroglyphs a little better. Now I gotta cross this sea of sagebrush and get out of here. I'm gonna go get the copter and see if I can fly it. So I gotta bring it in here for flat ground, and then we're gonna go visit the panel, go from there. Did a gimbal calibration, so we should be good to go there. And I need to do a compass calibration when I get out here, so hope I didn't break the craft because I downed it pretty hard. So we'll see. Well, that's how you get into it. Now notice there's some landmarks that you might recognize from last Wednesday. There's the red conics, there's the dam to create the drinking area, and that's the area I hiked last time. So we might go drive by that rock to see if there's anything there. I've heard there might be glyphs on that too. But that's the major prayer rock. Paradox Valley. JD mine, the other mine that's up there. And there's the sun array. And there's the LaSalle Mountains, I guess. We'll talk to you later. It's beautiful country. Glad we found these. That's 2 for 2 today. We're having outstanding luck. So we'll talk to you later. Peace.